Two languages. One, Sepedi. I speak Sepedi. 100%. I'm fluent. And English, 40%. For those who don't understand, or 40% English giving, get a interview. I work hard. Enough. Just. I'm on Joe's. But I'm trying to learn all these other languages. It's about 9. But I can't learn them at the same time. So you can tell me somewhere. I saw it figuring. It's not Tomaka easy course. For obvious reasons. Why? Because Xhosa women are hot. And about Chile. But why are balanced? Now, I when we come to Gauteng, drugs, alcohol, that's it, that's all. Mara, if there's one language I'm not even going to attempt to learn. Sorry guys, but sorry. I can't get yabo limpopo. Mara, sevenda. You want to be mistake. No, one of God, but it took God 7 days to create heaven and earth, and he had 6 days. He rested on the 7th day. Now, for reason, I explore a 7. No sounding. The language is difficult. 7. Venda is so difficult. You can't even walk and speak 7 at the same time. It's highly impossible. I think we're and you can hardly even find fat Venda people. What's that why? Language here like penalty color is I've been staying in Pretoria for over 12 years now, man. And then I've simply moved to Joburg. You can do more Jews for if there's one language, as long as you black and no Spanish states. Yes, this is Zulu. I don't care who you are. Go on. It's not even a stereotype. Every taxi rank for Johannesburg, Zulu. Even as a famous one, but you can go and change taxi rank. Every taxi driver who works on North over Zulu, every taxi driver jama baby. Bao to a higher Polokwane, Bao Berka on North, the one over Zulu. Slender Nekila Takazanega, never like Mrs. Zulu, Marcella or Asson. Kikulanaka accent, or walk to a Gayama Shashani. Brafinia, Abasik. Abasik of a taxi driver. Bantu Paramunya or Angelina. Uto Paramunya or Paramunya or Paramunya or Shadow for Walker or I want to be said, I want to be said. Take my friend, pay for us. I was looking at my sister. I'm not going to come on, guys. My daughter, my second born, will turn up one next month. And they are 5 years old. Yeah, the next No, my sister was going to as well. Girlfriend, because my daughter looks like me. That's the problem. You're not the jeans, you're not the straw. You're not the ringer. You're high, you're a brown. Cannot say I'm a CEO. Keep easy. But that's why for a fact, I'm into older women. And when I say older women, I say from the ages of 36 and above. What's the way? I want to question. Baba, Chaka Nigo. Sana, Samuka Chaka. Baba, Bata Nyagadigo, Jos Nancho, Namupilo. That's why I didn't know. Go high, I'm from a traditional family again. Can I buy two? But we get teenagers. or kapo hamameja go ka prekisha automatically tshwanetse go nyana nna ke overdue. I will never get married for 2 reasons vera as last time ebile a ke half ene go na le munno mo nka wa ke o nyetse o thoma o feel offended o ya bona lo mfana lo o qale kahle manje o rena bana ba o nyala re hafa ao hafe o skaela. Sorry maloma, skisa. No, I'll tell you what. Oh guys, you must observe. Nkile wa bona married men ngare ke di mongolo ka moka so uluza dilo tse di simple uluza bukhulu. When you are married, your wife ngare ke farmer wena o khomu or mosadi ya ke nka binde wena o mokhovu ba phela ba controller. Every time when you have to leave your house, so you apply visa. And somehow, mosadi ya ngare American embassy visa nyane ya apply deadline ya ring a so fika mabaka a o kwa ha